how do you see the role of Hamas in future Gaza? This is something that for the Israelis is a crucial question at this point in time. How do you see Hamas in the future, also in the PA?
Well, let's agree that after the earthquake that took place, things will be different than before the earthquake.
Yeah.
There is no doubt about it. Now, I have also to say that what the Israeli government said would be the goal is not achievable. The Israeli government repeatedly said that we want to annihilate Hamas, we want to remove Hamas. This is not going to. But
dismantle, which is a softer term.
Yeah, well, yes, okay. There will be able to weaken Hamas. There will, as you said, change the situation of Hamas, and accordingly, I think that what we are going to have after the war, after the end of the war, is the new government that will be responsible for Gaza Strip as well as the West Bank. And that is going to be a government that would not represent Hamas. Hamas is not going to be part of this government. Now, I happen to believe also that there are three requirements for any such government. One, high degree of acceptability, and acceptability means the public and also means the political organizations. Second, the efficiency.
You mean internally, acceptability internally?
Yes, and I'm coming to
by
that.
By the Palestinian people, okay.
By the public and by the factions as well. And second is the efficiency and the ability to deliver. And the third is the trust of the region and international community at large. I mean, those donors who are going to pay the money and things of that sort. Now, what does this mean? The first one. It means that there should be some discussion, there should be some debate among Palestinian factions to ensure acceptance of any arrangement that might take place, to ensure acceptance of the fact that Hamas is not going to be part of this government, but acceptance and going along is not exactly participation. Actually, it's completely different. So what I think that we are going to have a government as a result of broad debate and broad discussions without the actual participation of any Palestinian faction, because the last thing we want to have is to have some kind of distribution of seats among Palestinian factions, whether Hamas or otherwise, because you remember the second criteria and the third criteria. So it should be different. We should learn from past experiences and the failures, successive failures that we faced. And we should have the choices that would ensure the interests of the Palestinian people and the interests of the region.